Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical basics while I guide the first fixes. Unplug and reseat the Ethernet cable, swap ports or cables to rule out a bad wire. Once linked lights appear, disable Wi-Fi so Windows uses Ethernet. Next, open Device Manager and find your network adapter. Enable it if disabled. If it shows warnings, right-click to run the built-in troubleshooter. This gives immediate errors to act on and points to the next step. Once the adapter is enabled, focus on drivers and addressing because most failures live here. Update or roll back the driver through Device Manager. If Windows Update fails, download the vendor driver on another device. Make sure IP4 is on DHCP. If you use a static IP, match the router subnet and correct gateway. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass DNS issues. Finally, disable the adapter. Wait 10 seconds and re-enable it, and restart the router if link problems persist. To finish, clean the software state and confirm services. Open admin PowerShell and run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/flushtons to clear cached leases and name records. If issues remain, use settings right arrow network and internet right arrow advanced network settings, right arrow network reset. This reinstalls adapters and clears profiles. Make sure network location awareness and DHCP client services are running in services. If you still fail to get connectivity, troubleshooting tip. Try a USB Ethernet adapter to isolate built-in hardware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.